Greetings, fellow vendors. In today's video, we are going to be collecting from my combo machine at a hotel. Getting ready to go on vacation, so this will be a collection and stock up to make sure the machine is full for enough for at least 2 weeks. Getting you all set up on the top. Sometimes got to be a little careful pulling those out. Looking to see how full they are. How's your guys' vending businesses doing? Hope they're doing well. Drop a comment down below. Gonna make sure these things get fully stocked. I just gotta put like 1 or 2 in each. Kind of tricky when there's not much room. If you guys are looking for more vending related content, check out the vending Discord at the link down in the description, as well as Xtreme Vending, Howard Hospitality Group, Extreme Galaxy Games 843, as well as Quik Play. All those great channels are also giving away a Cube Factory claw machine. Sign up for that in the Discord as well. They're going to ship it to you free of charge. Got that level restocked. Gonna throw some Cheez-Its. Nope, looks like Cheez-Its is all there, but I'm gonna reach down to the bottom and grab some popcorn. Popcorn is very popular here. End of summer is coming. Hope everyone's having a good Labor Day today. This video was recorded a couple of weeks ago. Can get those reloaded. I should be repositioning the camera, but I don't remember. If I didn't, I'm sorry. What do I get out there? Some more honey buns. And a few more Pop-Tarts. Working on going to try and get some pre-kitting going so I can not have to drag everything along. But sometimes it just works better. I may have forgotten to move the camera, and I do apologize. Right now I'm counting up the 3 Musketeers, the toothbrushes, and the Snickers bars to see if I need to add any more of those. Yep, I'm going to put some more 3 Musketeers in there. Yep, there, I got to remove the camera. Attaching this to the machine makes it a little difficult. As you can tell, the camera bit the dust. Gonna reposition it so it sees more. Downfalls of trying to film by yourself. Sometimes camera mishaps happen. And why edit them out? Gotta have a blooper reel every now and then. Making sure I got plenty of Reese's peanut butter cups in there. Gonna add that into Vensoft. Got everything in there for the day. Got some more Oreos to put in there. I'm going to fill that whole column up. Here soon I'm going to do a live collection of one of my live restock and collection of one of my Super Mini Claws. Leave a comment down below if you'd like it to be the Boba Shop or the Hooters restaurant. I'll leave it up to you guys. Got to count up the pistachios and the pistachios, mixed nuts, and the Hershey's bars. Those products have been moving slow, so I'm not going to really too much worry about them. Now we're going to move on to the soda machine. Get it restocked. Not sure how much I need in here, maybe just Gatorade. Nope, Gatorade's doing good. Just gotta count up all the bottles. Those two columns in that whole right side there are all Gatorade. They love their Gatorade at this location. Then count up the Coke, the Diet Coke in the center column. Get that Coke all counted up. Put it in VinSoft. Gonna have to shine the light in the back to count the Diet Coke. On the machines where you load a column in the back, a column in the front, if you put a slower moving flavor in the back, it's easier to load when you need to load it, because usually your faster moving flavor in the front will be out of the way. I know this machine, Diet Coke, moves kind of slow, but I do offer it because it is a hotel location. Mountain Dew and Dr. Pepper generally do pretty good. This week, that Mountain Dew outsold the Dr. Pepper. It happens. Part of business. So right now I'm just counting up the Dr. Peppers. And shining the light behind for the Mountain Dews. I know where the Mountain Dew ends, so that's why I know. That's why I'm counting up the Dr. Pepper column again, because it tells me where it is. Get all my numbers put into VinSoft. Now on to the collection part, everyone's favorite part of the day. Make sure it's locked up. Get down here and get the change out. There's a little bit of change in there. Dropped my lucky quarter back into the bucket. As you can see, a decent stack there. Did $81.50 for the week. $39.55 of that was just in credit cards. For more vending related content, like and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone.